welcome. This video is going to be about fixing water damaged power tools. So this is my Ridgid air compressor, pancake compressor. I bought it like 10 years ago or something. I don't even know. And one day I left it out in the rain. And so I, turned it on to just see if we survived. We didn't survive. So the motor was running real, like barely running. You know, you could tell it was, that was it for it, you know. But I'm like a junk hoarder, right? Like I always think I'm gonna make something great out of my trash. So I was like, I'm gonna put this away and I'm gonna make something great out of it one day. And so there it sat for about 3 years, right? Now I have another one of them double barrel Ridgids. I got that in its place when I beat this one up. And in the double barrel one, this whole setup here, I'm not, I don't know, or whatever, expert at this. But this setup here, I guess the pressure regulator, the outlets, all that, it's all one setup, right? That went bad in my double barrel. So I was like, finally, after 3 years, I can do something with this piece of junk, and then I'll scrap the tank or whatever. So it sat there for 3 years up in the garage, right? And I went and grabbed it yesterday, and I thought, let me just plug it in, just in case. So what? It works. So it is not a piece of shit. And now I'm not going to take the part off it because it works. Now this is what I call my lab down here, right? I'm getting ready to do a video on pinstriping this gas tank, which is a piece of shit. It's the gas tank from hell. I'll tell you about that in the video. Anyways, so now this is a good little compressor. I'll keep it down here. You know, I'll figure out what I'm going to do with the other one. It still works. It's still usable. It just leaks and this part's broken. But the video is on, like, I'm just telling you, man, like if you get your power tools wet, that's Chilaticus trying to get a hold of me. It's my guy. We're not doing that right now. Doing big things here. So the video is to tell you when you want to fix your water damaged power tools, they may not be broke. So don't count them out. I mean, if you have loose funds, you know, and you can just go buy another thing, you know, I don't know. I'm a contractor, so, yeah. I got probably 3 or 4 of this drill. I easily got 4 of these grinders. I have 3 circular saws, like, because I'm a mason, so I destroy everything. So I'm fine with just going and buying another one. And I let this thing sit, dry it out. If you don't have the funds, hook up a blow dryer or something and get it in, you know, in these vents here, or maybe take the front case off or something like that and get it, you know, get it drying out for a good long time too. You know what I mean? Get it drying out and then try it before you count it out, chuck it out, and go spend $200 or $300 on a tool. Or you just buy another one and leave this sitting. If it starts working one day, now this is your backup, right? Don't give these heathens your money, right? They're ripping us. But look. It's like a symphony of working shit. So anyhow, I'm just cleaning it out a little bit. It was loaded with crap. But that's my video on fixing your water damaged power tools. They might not be destroyed.